Want to claim tickets for yourself and share tickets with others? Click on the Ticket Wallet link from your Ticketstripe email confirmation. Find your ticket, tap Claim, enter your information, and claim your ticket. Your ticket is ready. You can view it now, access it later in your ticket wallet, or save it directly to your phone. You will also get an email with a direct link to your ticket. To share tickets, go back to your ticket wallet and tap the Share button next to the ticket you want to share. Choose how you want to share the ticket, via email or text. Sharing via email. You can enter the email address and name directly, or use the address book to find contacts you've previously entered. Ticketstripe will send an email inviting your guests to claim their tickets. Don't know someone's email address? Share a ticket via text. Enter your mobile number and the recipient's name so you can quickly forward the text Ticketstripe will send to your device. The text you forward will contain a unique link to claim the ticket. Next, send them a follow-up text so they know what this message is about. No mobile app or Ticketstripe account is needed. Recipients can claim tickets by clicking on the link in their email or text message and by entering the information requested by the organizer. Once claimed, tickets can be viewed and saved to a device or accessed via the link in the confirmation email they receive. In your ticket wallet, all claimed tickets will display the claimed label. Tap the green ticket icon to view a single ticket, or tap the View Tickets button at the top of your ticket wallet to view all your tickets and receipts. Some event organizers will require tickets be claimed before the event. In this case, you will see this notification above the tickets and instructions for each ticket. Once a ticket is shared and claimed, the barcode will appear and the ticket can be scanned at the event. When ticket claiming is optional, your ticket wallet will look like this. Ticket sharing in this case is encouraged, but not required. You can always access tickets via your ticket wallet link from the email confirmation. And if you lost your original email, you can request a new one from Ticketstripe.com. If a ticket holder cannot attend, tap the Reclaim button. Ticketstripe will notify the ticket holder that their ticket was canceled, and you can share this ticket with another guest. Tickets can be reclaimed up until the ticket is scanned at entry. Share tickets early so your guests have time to claim them. Have questions? Get in touch with our support team at Ticketstripe.com.